So here's an Excel sales dashboard and also a jobs overview Excel user form with a custom data grid, and everything is written in VBA. So showing now is the base data for the sales dashboard, and if we pop up to the menu and click on the custom status tab, we'll see two icons there, one for sales. We click on the sales and that will show us the sales pie charts. Top left is the sales rep figures in percentages. The top middle is sales rep figures in actual sales, and the top right is sales figures in actual figures by product. And down below is a bar chart showing each rep's sales against the forecast figures. So we go to the menu and click on Works, and that will show us the Jobs Overview user form screen. On the left is a data grid that's custom built. I built it. It consists of a pair of frames, command buttons, labels and text boxes, and it shows the current active jobs list. So we can scroll up and down the list, and if we click on an item, the right hand side is populated, centre and right hand sides are populated, and it shows things like the customer details, the short description of the job start and end dates, the date the quote was produced, the job description, and on the right hand side there is a series of small frames and pages, and the current one shows the cost details, so we can see the cost breakdown and the VAT, the total boxes down below, the VAT, total payments and balance. We can see the payment screen, which shows all the payments against this job, and also we can see things like assigned job details. That's where if we want to assign certain aspects of the job to named individuals or to named gangs, we can create these job descriptions specifically for that person, and we can also print them off or make a job card, make a PDF of these.